Today, I'm going to show you how to add interactive tooltips to your PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make your PDFs more informative and user-friendly, letting viewers hover over text or images to get extra details without cluttering your layout. It's a fantastic way to guide readers or provide helpful context, especially in training materials, forms, or instructional guides. Let's dive in. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you're using the Pro version, since we'll need access to advanced form tools. If you're working with a finalized PDF, don't worry. Acrobat Pro lets you edit and interact with pretty much any standard PDF file. Next, look up at the top menu bar and click on the Tools tab. From there, select Prepare Form. This is where Acrobat's powerful form editing capabilities live. Even if you've never used these tools before, they're designed to help you add things like buttons, text fields, and, in our case, tooltips. Now, in the Prepare Form toolbar, you'll see an icon that looks like a rectangle with OK inside it. That's the button tool. Click on that. A quick tip here. Buttons in a PDF aren't just for clicking. They can also be used to display tooltips, making them handy for interactive help. Once you've selected the button tool, click and drag to draw a button right over the area of your PDF where you want the tooltip to appear. This could be over a word, a section of text, or even an image. Try to be precise here. It helps to zoom in if you need to align things just right. As soon as you finish drawing, a dialog box called Button Properties will pop up automatically. We're interested in the Tooltip function in the General tab of this dialog box. You'll see a text box labeled Tooltip. This is where you type in the helpful message you want to show up when someone hovers their cursor over the area. For example, if you're adding a tooltip to a complicated term, you might write a short definition, or if it's over a form element, you could provide instructions. The best tooltips are short, clear, and directly relevant to the content. But right now, that button we added is visible, so let's fix that. Go to the Appearance tab to make the button completely invisible so that only the tooltip shows up, and your PDF keeps its professional look. You'll want to set both the border color and fill color to no color. This is usually represented by a tiny white box with a red line through it. If your PDF background isn't white, you can match the fill color to whatever your background is for perfect camouflage. It might take a moment to find the right color, so don't worry if you need to experiment. Jump into the Options tab next. Here, set the layout to Label Only or something similar. Make sure you leave the label text box empty. This ensures nothing is written on top of your document. Just an invisible hotspot triggering the tooltip. Once you're all set, click Close on the Button Properties dialog. Now, here's a critical step. Click the Preview button in the top right of Acrobat. This lets you test out the tooltip before you save. Hover your mouse over the area where you placed the invisible button. You should see your custom tooltip pop up. If it doesn't look quite right, click Edit to make changes. Take your time here. Sometimes even small adjustments make a big difference in usability. When you're happy with the tooltip, exit preview mode by clicking Edit. And remember to save your PDF to lock in the changes. That's all there is to it. You've just boosted your PDF with some handy interactive tooltips. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.